This is a lesson 4.5. We're going to look at questions 22, 24, and 25 because they all represent different types of problems. So 22 asks for the displacement, 24 asks for the average velocity, and 25 asks for how long or time. So we have time, velocity, and displacement. So depending on what your question is asking for, these are going to be the three possible ones. So looking at question number 22, it asks us to calculate the displacement in meters a cyclist would travel in 5 hours at an average of 12.0 kilometers per hour southwest. So we know that the time is 5 hours. The velocity is 12.0 kilometers per hour southwest. And we're going to find A. Sorry, we're going to find displacement. Delta x. So we know that velocity is equal to delta x over t. So since we're solving for delta x, we're going to multiply both sides by delta t. So we get delta x is equal to our velocity times delta t. So delta x should be equal to our velocity 12 times our time 5. So we get 60 unit of meters southwest. Okay, let's look at how to solve velocity. So velocity, we know that our equation for velocity is delta x over delta t. So in this problem, we are given time and distance. So we know delta t is equal to 45 seconds. And we know the distance, delta x, is 72 meters. And they said away. So away, we can just write as positive 72 because it's going away from you. It's going in a positive direction. So for our velocity, we know it's going to be our delta x, which is 72 meters, divided by our delta t, which is 45 seconds. So when we divide this out, 72 divided by 45 will give us 1.6. We have 1.6 meters per second. And we'll say it's in the positive direction because we're going away. Or we can just write 1.6 meters per second away. Because velocity needs to include direction.